Sadly, this lion, if left untreated, will literally die. And it's the first of 1,000 animals we're going to be saving in this video. Here's how. We'll be using a sniper to vaccinate giraffes from a helicopter.
Are you leading to all the giraffe are vaccinated?
Rescuing lions from a zoo that was literally
Be fair!
relocating massive rhinos before they fight each other to death. Could add a lot of years to this rhino's life.
And so many more unbelievable rescues, starting with performing life-saving surgery on this lion.
This is Dr. Karax. Dr. Alex, we need to stabilize him immediately. Pass me the surgical clamps.
Understood, but his vitals are dropping fast. We have to be precise.
What are we about to do? This lion has a tooth infection that could literally kill it. So we're gonna perform a root canal to save this lion's life. We're giving it life-saving surgery to remove the infection in its teeth. Can you just hold that lip like that for us?
Oh my gosh, he is literally pulling gunk out of its teeth. And this gunk, if untreated,
would somehow end up in the lion's heart valves? That's right. What would happen if she woke up?
she'd bite my finger off. Oh, and my finger, that looks really good.
Procedure's done. Let's release her. Now the lion is happy and healthy, but we still have 999 animals left to save. Our next mission is to save some rhinos.
We have to search this massive reservation in order to tranquilize and relocate them.
While we're driving around looking for rhinos, I'm listed flying rhinos with our Chinese guys.
Typically, the stronger rhinos would just scare away the weaker ones. But since the reservation is surrounded by anti-poaching fences, the weaker rhinos have nowhere to when they're killing each other.
Yeah, exactly. Which is why we're gonna put them to sleep and then transport them to a plot of land that can be their own territory, where they're not getting bullied out of all the food and water. They can actually grow big and strong. Jimmy, come in! We found the rhinos! We found Riley! Alright, he's got a rhino! Go, go! Yeah!
I got a Ticalizer gun. I'm gonna shoot them, put them to sleep, so we can relocate them safely.
We did it! Chandler, hit the rhino! Let's go! One rhino down. Time to relocate.
First things first, we're putting on the anti-poaching collar. Here's what it does.
All right, I say we name him Hippo. Hippo, he's a rhino. Well, yeah, but his name's Hippo.
We still have hundreds more animals to save. And after my friends saved the other two smaller rhinos on the safari, we set our sights on something a little taller. Giraffes.
Have a vaccine by shooting them with vaccines. Yeah, let's do it. Woo! Target acquired. Fire in the hole. Hit. Great shot.
Unlike when we tranquilize the rhinos, these high-powered air rifles actually deliver a massive dart filled with life-saving medication. Enjoy your vaccines. Have a great day. Why are they running? We're trying to save their lives.
Throughout this 2 weeks, we're going to be saving over 1,000 animals. But I guess no told the giraffes because they were making it kind of difficult.
Sir, I'm trying to vaccinate you. It's good for you. I promise, giraffes. Come get a vaccine. Bro, it's so far away. We need to elevate our tactics.
Because the giraffe's territory is so large. This is the easiest way to get them the medication that they need.
If a giraffe gets one of these diseases, what's its odds of dying? 100%. It's dead.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's save some giraffes' lives! Yeah! Wait, let's get that other one. Go ahead. Yes! We saved it! And we ain't leaving till all the giraffes are vaccinated!
Even though I now had air superiority.
Enjoy your medicine. Take care. I brought in extra help to save as many animals as possible. I see 5 unvaccinated giraffes, 4 unvaccinated giraffes, 3 unvaccinated giraffes. The last one's the one in the front. Yeah, look at that. 5 in a row. We're on a kill streak. Although we're not killing them, we're saving their lives. Right in the butt. Yeah.
By the time we left, we vaccinated a total of 70 giraffes, bringing us to 74 animals saved so far.
We even got to see our hard work from earlier pay off. There's the rhino we dropped off. Oh, it is! He's so happy!
The next part will be coming soon.